so this is Leetcode solving session problem called 451 sort character by frequency. Okay, so given a string, so in a decreasing order based on the frequency of the character. So TREE, we should replace ERT because E happened twice, so E should be the same. And for this one, we should return CCCAA, then we just return CCCAA. So first, we create a dictionary. So this dictionary just collect the frequency of each word, and the key is the word, key is the character, and the value is the frequency. Okay, so this will create a list. Then after that, we sorted this dictionary by minus key. So minus key is just like the reverse order. So this is what we sorted. So we sorted all the items, but the key is just use the minus x. Okay, so there's an example like this D is equal to 1 map to 0, 3 map to 3, 5 map to 5, 2 to 4. And then when you get sorted, and then it will give you a list which contains the tuples. And then you see the first coordinate of the tuple is the key, and the second is the value. Okay, and since we use minus x, so the largest frequency one will happen in the beginning. Okay, so now we have a list. Then we just iterate for each element. We just iterate for each tuples. Then we collect. Then we create a string which counts which collect all the members. So we create an empty string. Then for I in all frequency, remember that all frequency now is just a list, and we count for for each one we start from the frequency, and then we collect the numbers. Okay, and maybe another easy way for you it's easy to understand is that we just use this. Okay, so this is the empty string what we want to do, what we want to collect. Then this is just the answer, just straightforward. You see, so it's still very fast. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channels. Thanks.